Alright guys, we're back in the tunnel of death. I don't know if you can see that well, but that's the way out. That's the way in. Here we go. You got your torch on, man? It's alright, man, this is big enough. Alright guys, here we go. Just walk side by side, stay next. Both pretty freaked out here. It is very scary, it's dark, we can't really see anything. I don't know if you can see these old railway tracks and stuff. We're going now to check it out. And here we go. Now apparently you can't go further than this. I doubt we're going to be going very much further. Because we really can't. We didn't bring the proper gear. Alright, you know what? We're going to come back here, this is a good spot, but